Okay, the hard work is really done. Now all we have left to do is import those student data files, the .csv files that you just saved, into the PRS system. So I'm going to start by opening the PRS software, then click on the Classes tab and create a new class. In the course instructor, I'm going to type a last name or whatever I want the name of the course to be. In this case, I'm going to type 2 for period 2. You can do that however you want. You'll notice it puts class name to row 2. And then I'm going to click OK. And then that class shows up in my list. And now I want to import the roster that goes with that class. So I click on the class and I click this button here that says Import Roster. And I'm going to find those CSV files that I saved. They might be in a different folder, so go look for them in wherever the folder is that you save them. And in my case, this is going to be in my Documents folder inside a folder called PRS Videos. And then here's my period 2 and period 3. So I'm going to click on period 2 and click on Open. You might get this message, you might not. In my case, I'm going to click Yes, and click OK, and it imports those names. And you'll notice you don't see the student ID listed here, but there's a button that says Show Student ID. So now when I click on that button, the student IDs actually appear in the list, and I can do some things to move data around and delete rows and that kind of thing that I'm not going to use. But that's essentially how you do that. So you create a class for each period of the day, and then you import those CSV files that correspond with that class, and voila! When your students enter their student ID numbers on the clicker, the data that they enter then for the questions that you ask will be mapped to their student data file here, and so you can do a number of different things to track responses for individual students.